Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Erin Olmstead. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a room tour. When I film videos, you normally see this kind of angle, but I want to show you the full room, and it's really small, but you guys will see it in a picture. So let me just show you guys. This is my room. No, okay. This is the room from my door. So this is my door. Wow, I know. This I put on when I was 8. A comma for the dot of the I, iconic. But it doesn't come off. I'm sorry for whoever gets this house after we sell it, but it's not coming off. Costume volleyball zone. Where am I gonna play volleyball in this? That's the real tea. Okay, so anyway, entering a white carpet that's kind of dirty. And then you have a volleyball bag and a trash. Me. And then here is a wall. That's my record player. A wall and my calendar. And this I got in Disney when I was 8. And it's very, very cringe. Volleyball queen. So I have record albums on the wall. I don't know who these people are. I just think it looks really cool. But yeah, so I just have some this one's good because a tune, you can tune a piano but you can't tune a fish. I look at that as daily inspiration. Then you go to my dresser. I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear. I wear the same clothes every single week, but I have a ton of clothes I just don't wear. And then over here, I just have mail and my keys and my glasses. Here I have jewelry, a necklace, some things I got from the Dominican Republic. I change this saying about every year. No, but that's a lyric from Rex Orange County. And I have my fake succulents with lots of dust on them because I think it adds character. And then I have everything I need, hygiene purposes. I have just nonsense medicine because what can you do? I have asthma, so we have an inhaler. Advil because you never know. And a little necklace that my friend got me. We love. And then we have a fan because it's hot as hell. And then we have my record player. This is the Rex Orange County one. I really like it, honestly. It adds so much to my room because over here I used to have a bungee chair, but now I have this, and this corner is just my favorite. I love it. So after you enter that, you come over to my desk, and this is where I film. Yes. Okay. So here's my tablet. I watch everything on this. This I love. We love her. Yeah. So this is my desk. This is all my makeup. I want to do an updated makeup collection video. That needs help. I don't know. This is just I don't know what to do because my bed's here and I have this little walk space I can kind of get through. And then you come over to this corner and we just kind of have I don't know. This is a cute wall. I really should change up my room. Anyway, these are my volleyball medals that I've gotten, and there's another fan because again it's really, really hot. But it's really nice out today. So anyways, coming back from that little space, we have my bed. So this is my, we love a good bed. Here's my computer, my Polaroid wall. I have a little nightstand, headphones, sunglass case, some seashells, another succulent with dust, water, and root beer. You can't go wrong. Laundry, shoes. Help that situation, because what? Backpack for school. Disgusting. And then a mirror. A dirty mirror. We love that vibe. And then another mirror, a full body mirror. Outfit of the day. Here we have it. Let's get this fucking, okay. And then we have another closet where I keep my sweatpants, pants, sweatshirts, dresses that I never wear, a backpack, a smaller backpack, a dress that I want to fit in, but maybe in a couple more years. And then just some extras. I don't really know. That's the room. That's it. Yeah, so that's it. That's my room. I know it's a short room tour because, hey, it's not a big room. but I'd show you it. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing. Like, you have this huge window here and like a huge window there, and like a lot of light comes in. And I think it's really nice, and I want to show it off. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.